Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make Smarties cookies. You need only few ingredients and super easy to make at home. Let's get started. First I am taking medium-size egg and beat little bit. Then add 130 grams of white sugar and 110 grams of brown sugar and mix them well for a couple of minutes. Now I am adding 110 grams of melted butter and mix them again for another couple of minutes. After mixing them, add 215 grams of all-purpose flour and 5 grams of baking powder, 2 grams of baking soda into the mixture. Now mix all the ingredients well for about 3 minutes. Next I am adding the Smarties to the mixture and mix them for another couple of minutes. At this moment I would like to know from which city or country you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix them again. Now cover the bowl and keep in the fridge for 30 minutes. Then I am preparing the oven tray by applying some oil to the bottom and adding a baking paper. If you still watching the video, and if you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this. Next I am taking 1 scoop from the mixture, or you can use a teaspoon as well. Leave some space between the cookies and don't try to shape the cookies at this moment. Let it be as it is. You can see in the video how I am doing this. Now I am adding some more Smarties on top of the cookies. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes in 180 Celsius degrees. Now bake the cookies for about 10 to 12 minutes in 180 Celsius degrees. See how nice these cookies looks. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.